Morning students, in previous video you have seen the kinds of pronoun, okay, and your now next lesson it is depend on the same, from that only one pronoun. And what is the lesson name? Relative pronouns. Relative, before also I have explained, relative means which shows the relation between two things, yeah, two persons, two things. Otherwise, if half sentence is there and in that half sentence if any noun is coming, suppose woman, and about that woman if more information is given in the next last second, that time sentence, that time and it is joined with the one conjunction, that conjunctions come for the relative pronoun. You know the conjunction means what? Conjunction means which connect the two words or there is two sentences, it comes for the conjunction. Here relative pronouns also performing the role of conjunctions, but it shows the relation of two things. Now here you can see relative pronouns who, yeah, the musician. What is the noun? The musician. And about that, what information we are getting in the remaining sentence? Who wrote this song is French, yeah, who has written the song, that musician. That's why who we are using as the relative pronoun. Like whom is there? I know the boy whom sits next to you. Which, this is the cake which Mary made. Why? Do you know the reason why the market is closed today? Yeah, that's why this why question, it goes for the interrogative, but somewhere it comes for the full stop only. That's why here refers to the reason, but it will go for the interrogative. And if we want to show the relation, then question mark will not come, then do also we will not take. How we can convert this into the relative? You know the reason, remove the do, you know the reason why the market is closed today. Then now do came for the question, we have removed the do, then it came as a sentence. That's at the last. Now we can give the full stop. And what will be the correct answer then for the showing reason? You know the reason why the market is closed today. Then there is no need to give the question mark. If we'll give the question mark, it will go for the interrogative. When we are using to show the time, the day when the concert takes place is Saturday. The day and the concert, between the relation is mentioned by the when. Where, for the place. This is the house where my son was born. The relation between my son and the house. What is the relation of house and son? Where that son was born, that is the relation, and it has mentioned with the where. And where is joining two sentences. This is the house, my son was born, and in between where came, and this where is showing the relation between the house and the son. That's why this where comes for the relative pronoun. The boy whose phone just rang should stand up, yeah, then boy and the ringing phone, relation of both is standing up. That's why whose is the relative pronoun. That 12th September is the date that I was born. My birth date, relation between the date and the my birth, and that is shown by the that. That's why that comes for the relative pronouns. Then who, whom, which, why, when, where, whose, that, this all comes for the relative pronouns. Now let's discuss exercise which is in the textbook. God, filling the blanks with appropriate relative pronouns, follow the example. God helps those who help themselves. Yeah, this is tall, what I wanted to see. The old street dog that was lame died yesterday. The building which is at the back of our school is on sale, which we take most of the time for the non-living thing also. Listen to what the teacher say. He is the union leader who I have been speaking about. Leader, that he is the person, and for person we are using who. That's why I have used here who. There is nothing that our parents won't do for our better education. There are many things are there, and for showing that we are using that. That dash is done cannot be undone. What is done cannot be undone. Means once if we are completing anything if we are talking something, can we repeat it, means can we take that talking back again? No, it's not possible. That's why it is said that what is done cannot be undone. The color of my dress is the same as yours. Nothing that we do now can calm down the furious man. The friend who Raj trusted the most has betrayed himself. Betrayed means cheated him. Then here I have used the relative pronouns what, that, which, what, who, that, what, as, that, and the who. Then it's depend on the meaning of the sentence, and by meaning only you are going to use the relative pronoun into the sentence. Now the next question, join the two separate sentences given below using suitable relative pronoun. Follow the example. I have made a statement. I stand by the statement. I stand by the statement that I have made. Now here you can make some changes in the sentence, and by making the changes you can use the relative pronoun to get it the correct answer. Now all questions are here of your textbooks. Now here I have mentioned the all answers. Firstly you are going to write down the question in the notebook, and after that you are going to write down the answer and underline the relative pronoun like me. Firstly you will write the question, then downside of that answer. For second question, then downside of that answer. Third question, downside of that answer. Like that all 10 questions you are going to write in the same form. Question answer, question answer. Now I am going to say the answers. Afterward you see the question answer togetherly. Here is the newspaper that is the first to expose the multi-crore fodder scam of the state government. The boy who got the first prize in the race was very happy. The bus that we got into was crowded. Ronit has a friend who is a great artist. The whole incident that Shobha narrated of her journey was full of thrills and excitements. Little Priyanka, who was punished by her teacher, was weeping. Then here you can see that whenever person's name came, there who we have taken. For the boy who, for the Ronit who, for the Priyanka also we have taken who. Is it? Now the seventh one, the criminal. He is also person, that's why we have used who. The criminal who had planned to loot the bank has been caught by the police. Many passengers. Again passengers are the people. That's why who. Many passengers who were going to Goa on a holiday trip were injured in the bus accident. The later non-living thing that my sister sent reached me. And boys again the human beings. Yeah, that's why who. Some boys who litter the classroom are irresponsible. Now you know that where to use who, where to use that. Now this all you are going to write in the form of question answers in the notebook. Now third question is what? Pick out the relative pronouns and their respective antecedent. Follow the example. Okay. Then everybody laughed at the jokes that Raju Srivastav told in the program. Jokes after what came? That. Okay, but here we have to show the relation. Antecedent means about whom it has talked and which relative pronoun we have used. That is the meaning. Okay. He is the man who picked my pocket. Now about whom it is talk here? About the man. That's why antecedent is a man. That is man. And which relative pronoun we have used? Who. Very good. He is the boy whose father died recently. Now about whom we are talking? About boy. That's why boy is antecedent and the whose is the relative pronoun. This is the boy whom every teacher praised. Okay, again we are talking about a boy. That's why boy is antecedent and the whom is the relative pronoun. This is the dog that barked the whole night. About whom we are talking? About the dog. That's why it is called as the antecedent and the that comes for the relative pronoun. No one likes people who are selfish. About whom we are talking now? About people. Yeah, that's the antecedent is people, and for that what relative pronoun we have used? Who. Very good. This is the horse which won the race. About whom we are talking? About the horse. That's why antecedent is the horse and the which is the relative pronoun. I saw a beggar who was totally blind. About whom I am talking now? About the beggar. And who is the relative pronoun? The audience who saw the magician's tricks were completely surprised. Now who is seeing? Audience. About whom we are talking? About audience. That's the audience is coming for the antecedent and the who is the relative pronoun. I saw a juggler who could swiftly walk on the tightrope. About whom I am talking now? Juggler, yeah. And for that which relative pronoun I have used? Who. The bus which was overcrowded fell in rift. Yeah, then about bus I am talking. That's why bus is the antecedent and the which is relative pronoun. Now suggested activity. This which is possible in the textbook question number 1 and 3. Complete in the textbook. Only question number 2 write down in the notebook. Make a chart on relative pronoun with at least 10 sentences on each of the relative pronouns learned in this chapter. If possible, make separate charts of different relative pronouns as who, whose, whom, which, that, what, as for your classroom notice board. Then this activity we are going to complete when school will reopen. Now I hope that you understand your work, what to write in the notebook and what to complete in the textbook. Thank you so much, students, and take care.